Welcome to Elmina. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you Elmina. Let's go. Oh, there are people swimming inside. Big fishes.
See, because obviously people are capable of keeping places nice. How come we're only keeping the white places nice? For what? This is where the slave masters were, so we just let them shit.
Yeah.
But look how nice our town is, you know? That would be better. It's not in English. Sorry.
So guys, where I'm at right now is where, when the Dutch people die, here is where they bury them, and it sucks to see it looking clean than other places. I mean, like, you guys have to like just, you know, let it so that it can be ruined, so that it looks nasty, so that you know that, okay, when they died, we never kept here clean or kept here whatever it is. But it's clean, it's been burnt, they burnt the weed and stuff, but guys, it's sad. I've gotten extra cheese on them.
You should have gotten extra cheese?
It's
not
very cheesy, not cheesy enough, but it's good.